Hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we're gonna see how to install Java JDK9 on Linux Mint 18.3. Java is known for its cross-platform compatibility and it's used by several developers to build applications and websites due to its speed, reliability and safety. After 3 years of development, a new version of Java has been released on September 2017. So if you're running on Ubuntu, Mint or Debian, you can install JDK9 using the apt utility for Debian based operating systems. Java JDK9 for Debian based distros is hosted on webupd8 repository and we will be installing it from here. Now the repository has been added. Now you have to update your repository. Now the repository is getting updated. After that you can install Oracle Java 9 installer. And you must agree the license available. Now Oracle JDK9 has been installed, but at the end, as you can see there, to set Oracle JDK9 as default, we have to follow few procedures. Like it recommends us to install Oracle Java 9-set default package. In order to do that, run the following command, which is already recommended here. This will set Oracle JDK9 as default. Now it has been set to default. Let's check the Java version. As you can see, I have installed JDK 9.0.4 version. Now let's see how to set up a Java environment variables. This is required to run some Java application. Set up the Java home environment variable by adding the following line. Let's set the path environment. So both has been set. That's it. The installation procedure is done. Let's see how to uninstall Java 9. Removing Java 9 from Linux system is pretty easy. For Debian based distros, run the following command. It will ask for the confirmation. Press I. Now everything will be removed. In this tutorial, we try to install Oracle Java 9 on Linux Mint 18.3 version. I hope this video will be helpful. Thank you for watching this tutorial.
Hey, if you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For more videos, please do visit www.linuxhelp.com and also mail us to support@linuxhelp.com for further queries.